The smell of this oil is super amazing. Like, the aroma is out of this world. Just use this oil on your skin at least once a day. At least once a day, and your skin is going to get brighter, your skin is going to glow, your skin is going to look radiant. Even if you don't like using lotions, just this oil on your skin once a day is going to make your skin look beautiful and more radiant. Trust me. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make an orange lightening oil at home. So these are my oranges. They have been thoroughly washed and dried with a paper towel, and this is the oil which I'm going to be using as my base oil to infuse my orange peel. And this is my grater which I'm going to use to peel up the orange zest or orange peel, and this is my mason jar which I'm going to use to infuse the orange peel. So the first step is to remove the yellow part of the orange with my grater. This grater would definitely not work for me because it's a plastic grater and the back of the orange is very hard, so it's not going to do anything. And iron grater would have been perfect, but I don't have one. You can see the tiny amount of orange peel I was able to get out of it. So if I continue to do this, I'm going to stay the whole day. But if you have an iron grater, then go ahead. It's perfect. It can actually grate the back of these oranges. But if you don't have an iron grater, then I would suggest that you pick up a knife and remove the back of the oranges. So one thing about orange oil is that orange oil is one of the best oils you can use on your skin. Like, it's perfect for the skin, and especially for the skin brightening properties. Orange oil will help to fade up blemishes on your skin, acne scars, dark spots, and it also promotes a healthy and glowing complexion. And apart from the skin brightening benefits of orange oil, it also has this 100% sweet natural smell that is irresistible. Yeah, it smells so nice. And this orange peel contains limonene, which has antibacterial properties. So it is safe to say that orange oil has antibacterial properties that helps to fight bacteria on the skin. And this is very good because, as humans, we tend to our skin tends to come in contact with different types of bacteria on a daily basis. So that is why I believe that orange oil is perfect for and everyday use. So this is my orange zest or my orange peel. The next step is to fill up the mason jar with the orange peel. I'm going to show you guys two different methods of making this orange lightening oil. Yes, this is going to be like the first method. Then after I'm done with this, I'll go over to the second method. So this first method is just to simply fill up the jar with the orange peel. Then I'll pour in my argan oil. I'm using argan oil for my infusion because it is not a heavy oil and it's very perfect for moisturizing the skin. It also helps to reduce the signs of aging, and it's also good for skin repair. Like, when it comes to skin repair, argan oil is perfect. In as much as argan oil is very good for the skin, you are not limited to using only argan oil. You can use any type of skin oil. I chose to use argan oil. You can choose to use coconut oil, olive oil, or even sunflower oil. So that's 125 ml. I'm using 125 ml of argan oil for the purpose of this infusion. If what you have is sunflower oil, please use sunflower oil, please. So I use 125 ml for this infusion, and what you simply do is pour the oil into the jar until it covers the orange peel. Just pour it into the jar. It's nothing serious, nothing difficult. Pour it into the jar until it covers the orange peel. But I did notice that the 125 ml I used was too small, so I had to add extra 125 ml into the jar So the total amount of oil I used in total was 250 ml of argan oil. So I think this is enough because it's almost covering the entire orange peel. So after doing this, you just give it a good shake and you leave it in the corner of your room to infuse for like 4 to 6 weeks. Then after 6 weeks, your orange oil is ready to use. However, if you want to hasten up the process, you can simply use the double boiling method. This involves you putting the mason jar with the orange peel inside into a pot of boiling water using low heat. Please, for this purpose, don't try to use a fragile jar because it will end up breaking and scattering or shattering. Use a mason jar which is strong. Then let this infuse for 10 to 15 minutes. After that, you can just you can turn off your gas cooker and bring out the mason jar. Then allow it to cool down. So you let this cool down for some minutes and it is ready to use. So I'll just take a drop of this oil and apply. This is still very hot, but I'll just take a drop of it and apply on my skin so you guys will see how it feels like on the skin. So this is it. This oil is super moisturizing and it absorbs deeply into the skin. This oil absorbs quickly into the skin. It's super moisturizing, it's super hydrating. So when choosing your oils, be deliberate. And the scent of this oil is out of this world. The aroma is irresistible, like I said before. So just use this oil at least once a day and your skin will get brighter, more radiant and more beautiful. Just use this oil once a day and you are going to love your skin. Trust me, you are going to love your skin. Your skin is going to glow, your skin is going to get brighter. If you have dark patches on your skin, it's going to take care of it, and it's a natural product. It has no side effects whatsoever. So these are just the two simple ways of making an orange lightening oil in the comfort of your home. It's simple. It's something you can do under 20 minutes. It's not really so difficult, and I think I explained the process to you in a very easy way. So this is the full recipe in case you did not get it when I was explaining it earlier. This is the full recipe. I used 3 oranges. Use 3 medium-sized oranges, 250 ml of argan oil or any oil of your choice. As I said before, you can use olive oil, you can use any type of oil that you like. Then you need a mason jar for infusion. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. So thank you guys. See you in my next one. Bye.